Entertainment.
Spread your wings, nothing is impossible. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy back in the building again with another recipe. This morning I'm gonna show you how to prepare Jamaican callaloo greens with saltfish. Alright, I waited 5 years to get some callaloo, and now I finally get it. Yeah, so this morning I'm gonna steam down some callaloo with some saltfish. Alright, so stay tuned. We love it.
Hey, done well.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings, nothing is impossible. Here we have our saltfish, so we're gonna put it to boil for about 30 minutes. We change the water within 10 minutes of each. Alright, just to get rid of the salt, get rid of some of the brine, and get your saltfish ready to add with your callaloo. Alright, we're gonna wash our callaloo properly now. So we wash our callaloo. We ensure that we wash our callaloo nicely before we start do any cutting up, because what? Normally wash it with salt. Yeah. So if any insect or anything lodge in any of the leaf, the salt will basically get rid of the insect. Alright, so put a little salt on it. Wash your callaloo, make sure you get rid of them, any insect or peel them are going to log in a this leaf, and wash your callaloo. So we're going to strip it, the end of it, and then we're going to cut them up nicely. Alright, so wash your callaloo. I finally get some blood. And they say callaloo give you a lot of blood, guys. So if you know that you're short of blood, go and look some. Alright, so here we have our callaloo, which we wash, cut up nicely, as you can see. Well cut up. Yeah? We also have our saltfish, which we boil for 30 minutes to get out some of the salt. We don't need a lot of saltfish because the main ingredients is the callaloo. And also over here we have some chopped tomato, we have some bell pepper, we have the lovely scotch bonnet, can't go without it. We have some of the white onion, we have some green onion, we also have some thyme. Look at it. Thyme. Alright? So we are going to eat the pot and start to steam our cabbage. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, you're eating our pot. We're going to add some cooking oil. You don't need a lot of cooking oil. Alright, this is a corn oil. I think that is good. Alright? So let it eat for a minute. And then we're going to start our steaming. Alright, so I'm going to add my saltfish first. The reason why I add my saltfish is give it a firmer texture. Add a little black pepper too. Not a lot, just a little. The reason why I consistently add my saltfish first, because when I put it in the pot first, it gives the steamed veg a firmer texture. You know, you're cooking some steaming vegetable and you add saltfish to it and it come like you can't taste the saltfish, because it's based on how you add it to the pot. So add it in first for about a minute. Yeah, kind of firm with the texture of the saltfish. So after our saltfish, we're going to add in our cut up ground seasoning. We're going to kind of let it caramelize a little bit with the saltfish. American call it codfish. Well, I think the saltfish is basically part of the Jamaican national dish which we use make hot your saltfish. Right? The reason why you see I cut my vegetable and my tomato at that side, I like to get, like say, the firm taste of the vegetable inside of the steam callaloo. Alright, so we just caramelize it for a minute or two. And then we're going to add our callaloo to it. Alright? We're going to add our callaloo now to it. Alright, so let's add our callaloo to it. Let's add some black pepper. Just to season it a little bit. And then we're going to add some ground seasoning. To add the ground seasoning, you don't have to add any salt to it. Alright? Because remember you have the saltfish with salt already. You don't want to salt the callaloo. The callaloo is supposed to be a benefit for you. Alright. Here you're gonna lower the fire on low heat and cover your pot. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you can see our callaloo started to come to its glory. Yeah? So you don't need no big heat under the fire, because remember steam your bread, you know. And the Rasta them see this is basically a Rasta dish. Yeah? Yeah man, the Rasta them love this, but I don't think the Rasta them will add saltfish, because the Rasta in Jamaica now eat salt. Alright? About a minute, you can turn off the fire. So ensure that your callaloo steam down, you don't have no tough part of the callaloo in there. Alright? Turn on your stove and leave it for another minute and you're good to go. Alright, there you have it guys. Our steamed callaloo with saltfish served with fried plantain, also fried dumpling. Alright, those dumplings, I roll them into the cinnamon shape. And also our fried plantain. A lot of people ask me, oh, why fry my plantain like that? But that's the way I like to fry my plantain and roll it like that. Alright? Look at our callaloo with the saltfish. That's how it's supposed to look, boy. Alright? Thanks for watching our Sunday morning breakfast. Alright? Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings